Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SQL Server from a Windows VPS safely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall SQL Server from a Windows VPS safely, start by logging into your Windows VPS with administrative privileges. Once logged in, press the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel window, click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft SQL Server in the list of installed programs. Click on it to highlight the entry. Then, click on the Uninstall option that appears at the top of the list. A wizard will launch to guide you through the uninstallation process. Follow the prompts and select the SQL Server instance you wish to uninstall. Make sure to choose Remove SQL Server Instance for the specific instance selected. You may also have the option to remove other components such as SQL Server Data Tools or SQL Server Management Studio. If prompted, ensure that you read any generated warnings regarding data loss. Confirm your choices and click Next to proceed with the uninstallation. The wizard will show you a progress screen indicating the removal of components. Wait for the process to complete, which may take several minutes. Once finished, click Close to exit the uninstallation wizard. After the SQL Server components are removed, restart your Windows VPS for the changes. Once the VPS has rebooted, check the Programs and Features list again to ensure SQL Server is no longer present. You may want to delete any remaining SQL Server folders in the Program Files directory under C:\program files /Microsoft SQL Server if necessary. Finally, open the Windows Services Manager and ensure that no SQL Server services are still running. The uninstallation process is now complete, and your VPS is free of SQL Server. You can now proceed with any further configurations or installations as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.